The 1998 Cessna CJ, serial number 282. Soljets proudly presents the complete package 1998 Citation CJ, fully enrolled in Williams' TAP Blue engine program and Cessna's Pro Parts. This aircraft is upgraded with Garmin's 3-screen G1000 avionics suite, the Bendix King AeroWave 100 Internet Wi-Fi system, and a fresh paint and an interior, making it equally stunning inside and out. Additionally, the aircraft recently completed a Dock 10 inspection by Citation Wichita. The Garmin G1000 avionics suite features WAS certification for LPV, a Garmin GFC 700 autopilot, TAWS Class B terrain awareness, synthetic vision technology, safe taxi, and the Jeppesen chart view. This recently refurbished 6-place passenger cabin is dressed in a light beige leather with dual mid-cabin stowable executive writing tables. The cabin is arranged in a center 4-place club seating configuration with a forward side-facing seat and an aft belted lav. Additional interior appointments include a deluxe refreshment center, the aft divider, aft removable curtain, and a dropped aisle lighting system. The exterior features a Matterhorn white base with metallic silver and black striping. The design goals of the CJ can be summed up in 3 words: simplicity, economy, and performance. It's designed to be extremely economical, simple to operate, and easy, yet rewarding to fly and operate by a single pilot. The 1998 Cessna CJ, serial number 282. Soljets, freedom, adventure, delivered.